living world. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you today a new topic, Kingdom Monera. In this kingdom I will explain you which type of organism are included in Kingdom Monera. Second topic I will explain you characteristic and diagram of bacteria. Third I will explain you type of the bacteria on the basis of their shape, and fourth point I will explain bacteria on the basis of their nutrition. So let us proceed. Kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera, it includes the organism like prokaryotic and unicellular. So dear student, Kingdom Monera include the organism which are known as prokaryotes. And these prokaryotes are unicellular. Dear student, organisms like prokaryotic and unicellular are included in Kingdom Monera. What do you mean by prokaryotes? Prokaryotes are those living organisms which do not contain or do not consist nucleus. Means nucleus is absent in prokaryotic organism and nuclear material are suspended in cytoplasm. You can say also nuclear material are not bounded by the protective nuclear membrane. So prokaryotic means this particular organism lack nucleus. Means no nucleus is there in this particular organism. Unicellular, those living organisms which are made of single cell or one cell are known as unicellular. Means made of one cell. Made of one cell are known as unicellular organism. Example, bacteria, and second is the cyanobacteria. So dear students, these are the two examples of Kingdom Monera. Means this type of the organism are included in Kingdom Monera: bacteria and cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, one more name, it is known as blue-green algae. Yes, student, it is known as blue-green algae. And blue-green algae is pure photosynthetic. Means this type of organisms are able to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So this was about the Kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera used to include organisms which are prokaryotic and unicellular. Example, bacteria and cyanobacteria. Now dear student, I am going to explain you about characteristic of bacteria and its diagram. So let us see diagram of bacteria. Bacteria externally protected by double membrane. Internally there is liquid medium. Known as cytoplasm. The inner protective layer of bacteria is known as plasma membrane. layer is known as cell wall, which is made up of peptidoglycan. It is made of peptidoglycan. Nuclear material of the bacteria are suspended in the cytoplasm. Means this nuclear material are not protected by the nuclear membrane. So dear student, this is the diagram of bacteria. Bacteria is protected by the double membrane. Inner membrane known as plasma membrane and outer membrane is known as cell wall, which is made of the peptidoglycan. This is the nuclear material. Nuclear materials which are suspended in the cytoplasm. Now dear student, I am going to explain you characteristic of bacteria. Dear student, as the bacteria has many characteristics, few I am going to explain you. First, bacteria are almost survive in almost conditions, means in all conditions. Bacteria can survive in all conditions. For example, it is being found in soil, air, water, snow, hot spring, or you can say everywhere bacteria are found. Second point, some bacteria are also found in digestive tract of animals. Third characteristic, bacteria is bounded by two protective layers. The inner layer is known as plasma membrane and outer is known as cell wall. Fourth, bacteria do not consist nucleus and nuclear material are suspended in the cytoplasm. Means nuclear material are suspended in the cytoplasm. So dear student, these were the characteristics of bacteria. Now I am going to explain you type of the bacteria on the basis of their shape. Now let us see type of bacteria on the basis of their shape, or you can say structure. Type of bacteria on the basis of their shape. Dear student, according to the shape, bacteria are four types, mainly four types: round shape, rod shape, spiral shape, and the fourth one is the comma shape. Let us see. First is round shape, and it is in the plural it is known as cocci, and singular known as coccus. Second is rod shape, and it is known as bacilli, and in singular it is known as bacillus, known as bacillus. Third, a spiral. In plural it is known as a spirilla, whereas in singular it is known as spirilla. Fourth, comma shape. Comma shape. It is known as, in the plural form, singular known as Spirillum. Coma, same bacteria known as Vibrio. Vibrios in plural and Vibrio in singular. Now I am going to explain you type of bacteria on the basis of their nutrition. So dear student, I hope you understood type of the bacteria on the basis of their shape. Now I am going to explain you on the basis of their nutrition. Let us say on the basis of nutrition, first is saprophytic. Saprophytic. Second is commensal. Commensals. Third is symbionts. And fourth is parasitic. So dear student, according to the nutrition, bacteria are of the four types: saprophytic, commensal, symbionts, and parasite. So let us see what you mean by saprophytic. Saprophytic are those type of bacteria which are able to get their food from dead and decaying organic substance. Means from the organic substances, these bacteria are able to get their food, and such type of the bacteria are known as saprophytic bacteria. Next is the commensal. Those type of the bacteria which used to remain in host body and benefit from it without helping or harming is known as commensals. Next is symbionts. Symbionts are those bacteria which show mutual relationship, means they are helping to the other organism also. For example, Rhizobium bacteria used to reside in leguminous plant. Means Rhizobium bacteria help to the leguminous plant, and leguminous plant helping to the Rhizobium bacteria. And these type of the bacteria are known as symbionts. Means those bacteria which used to help to other living organism for their survival are known as symbionts. Next is parasitic. Parasitic are those type of bacteria which used to remain inside or outside of the body of host organism and absorb nutrition from host body. Such type of the bacteria are known as parasitic bacteria. So dear student, according to the nutrition, bacteria are of the four types. Once again, saprophytic are those bacteria which obtain their food from dead and decaying organic substances. Commensals are those which used to remain in the host body and benefit from it without helping or harming. Symbionts are those which used to remain in the living organism and helping to each other. Such type of the bacteria are known as symbionts. And the last is the parasitic, which used to remain in the host body and absorb nutrition from it. So dear student, read the book Kingdom Monera and try to understand it. Thank you dear students.